Hello guys, and welcome back to Writing Practices. Today we're diving into an important topic: how to write a lost passport notification letter to an embassy. Losing your passport can be stressful, but writing a well-structured notification letter is the first step in resolving the issue. This formal letter informs the embassy or consulate about your lost passport and requests guidance on obtaining a replacement. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through each element of the template, step by step, without skipping or rearranging any parts. We'll use the exact examples provided in the template to ensure clarity and precision. Let's get started. Header information. Every formal letter begins with your personal details at the top. This includes your full name, address, city, state, zip code, email address, and phone number. For instance, John Doe, 123 Pine Avenue, New York, New York, 10001. johndoe@email.com, 555-123-4567. This information serves as a reference for the embassy to contact you. Accuracy is essential, especially in cases involving lost passports where timely communication is critical. Date. Below your contact details, add the date you are writing the letter. For example, December 23, 2024. Including the date helps establish the timeline for your notification, which may be required for processing your replacement. Recipient's information. Next, provide the embassy or consulate's name and address. For instance, Embassy of your country, 456 Diplomatic Street, Los Angeles, California, 90012. This ensures the letter reaches the correct authority. Double-check the address before submitting your letter to maintain professionalism. Subject line. The subject line should be concise and informative. For example, notification of lost passport. This makes it immediately clear to the recipient what your letter is about, facilitating quicker action on your request. Salutation. Start the letter formally with Dear Consular Officer or Dear Sir Madam. If you know the recipient's name, addressing them directly adds a more personal touch. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph introduces the purpose of your letter. From the template, it might read, I am writing to formally notify the Embassy of the United States that I have lost my passport, issued by the United States. The loss occurred on December 15, 2024, in New York City. Despite thorough efforts to locate it, I have been unable to recover my passport. This paragraph sets the context by explaining the situation clearly. Mentioning the date and location of the loss adds specificity, which is vital for the embassy's records. Details of the lost passport. In the next section, you'll provide all known details about the lost passport. For instance, the details of my lost passport are as follows. Full name, John Doe. Passport number, a 1234567 Date of issue, January 10, 2020. Place of issue, New York. Date of expiry, January 10, 2030. Including these details helps the embassy verify your identity and locate your records more efficiently. If you don't know certain details, such as the passport number, simply mention that it's unavailable. Report to local authorities. After providing passport details, confirm that you've reported the loss to local authorities. For example, I have reported the loss to the local authorities, and a copy of the police report is attached for your reference. This step is crucial because most embassies require proof that the loss was officially documented. The police report serves as this evidence. Supporting documents. List the documents you've attached to support your request. From the template. To facilitate the issuance of a replacement passport, I have also included the following documents. A copy of my identification card or previous passport. If available. Recent passport-sized photographs. Proof of citizenship, such as a birth certificate. Completed passport replacement application form, if applicable. Providing a clear list ensures the embassy knows what to expect in your submission. Double-check that all documents are accurate and complete to avoid delays. Request for guidance and assistance. This section highlights your need for assistance. For instance, I kindly request your guidance on the next steps and any additional documentation or fees required for the issuance of a new passport. Please let me know how I can expedite this process, as I am currently facing difficulties due to the lack of valid travel identification. Here, you're politely asking for help, while emphasizing the urgency of your situation. Maintain a respectful tone to encourage a prompt response. Offer for further communication. Provide your contact information again, ensuring the embassy can easily reach you for further clarification. For example, I can be contacted at 555-1234567 or johndoe@email.com for any further communication or clarification. This reassurance shows your willingness to cooperate and simplifies the embassy's ability to get in touch with you. Closing paragraph. End your letter with gratitude and a hopeful note. From the template, thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. I look forward to your response and assistance. Expressing appreciation reinforces your respectful tone and leaves a positive impression. Signature and attachments. Finally, sign off with "Sincerely," followed by your full name. Below that, list the attachments to remind the recipient of the supporting documents included. For example, "Sincerely, John Doe." Attachments: police report, identification card copy, passport photographs, proof of citizenship, any additional documents required. This section ensures your letter is complete and professional, wrapping up all necessary elements in an organized manner. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to writing a lost passport notification letter to an embassy. By following the template step by step, you can create a letter that is clear, professional, and effective in addressing your situation. Thank you for tuning in to Writing Practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more writing tips and templates. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.